Hello, Namaste, Adab India. I'm Neha, your host cum dost. Welcome you all to my page for the same. So today I'll create a very different look which you must have seen on Bollywood actresses. Let's start with some toner to hydrate and brighten up my skin. Then wait for 2 minutes. Now I'm taking small amount of Cetaphil moisturizer, applying evenly on my skin and massage it well. Now time for some primer. Gently apply on open pores for smooth surface. See how my skin looks? Time to correct uneven skin or blemishes. For this I am using two colors, orange and yellow. Applying in a dotted portion. Covering my under eye and area around mouth. Now blending this with damp beauty blender. First I am focusing on my eyes. Taking peach and brown from the palette and start making crease. Putting black kajal on my eyelids for some smoky look. Apply equally on both the lids. Now time to blend both the colors. Depositing some more brown color on both of my lids. Don't forget to blend well to give a pro look. See how smoky my eyes look like? Time for foundation now. Applying stick foundation on my whole face. Start blending this with a damp beauty blender in a tap motion. Do not drag it. For highlighting my points, I use the same yellow corrector. Now blend only where you apply the product, not on the entire face. It's time to set my face now. Lining my eyes with black liner. Applying kajal on my waterline. Perfect. Blending my kajal too so that it matches with my smoky look. Lifted my lashes with mascara. Now I'm putting some blush on my both of cheeks. Final look. So that's it for today. If you like this video, do subscribe and share my channel. Bye bye.